Hello, my name is Junior and today I will be building a PC. But first I will show you all the parts that I have before I start putting everything together. All the parts that I have are right behind me. Now I'll start showing you what I have. I have AMD Ryzen 3 3200G with Radeon Vega 8 graphics. I have the Gigabyte A320M S2H motherboard. I have 16 gigabytes of T-Force Vulcan Z DDR4 RAM. Next I have 240 gigabytes Kingston solid state drive. Next I have a 2 terabyte Seagate Barracuda hard drive. I have 700 watt Thermaltake power supply. I have the TP-Link AC1200 wireless adapter. I have the wireless keyboard with integrated mouse, also with 3-color LED lights. These are zip ties for better cable management inside my PC case. Now, for my favorite part of them all, the PC case. Because when the PC case is on, the lights on the PC case turn green, and green is my favorite color. Now for the fun part, putting it all together. But first, I know you see me on cardboard. I'm on cardboard because if I was on the carpet, I could build up static electricity, which could damage the PC components. So it's a little bit safer to work on cardboard than working on the carpet. While I'm putting everything together, I'll be using this anti-static wristband just to be safe. First, I'm going to start with the motherboard and install the CPU, RAM, and wireless adapter. It's easier to install those components outside the PC case because you have more space to work with. I'm going to unbox my CPU and install it. Now I'm going to be very careful while installing my CPU. I'm going to install the CPU cooling fan. Now I'm going to install my RAM. I'm going to install my wireless adapter. Now that I have those components on the motherboard, I can put it inside the case. I'm going to put the motherboard inside my case. I'm going to install my solid state drive. Now I'm going to install my Seagate Barracuda hard drive. I'm going to be installing the power supply. Now it's time to connect all the components to the power supply. I think we got everything connected. Now for the fun part. Let's see if it turns on. operating system on this flash drive. I have this message on my screen because I don't have my operating system loaded on my PC. So I'm going to plug in my flash drive, press the button on my keyboard, and let's see what happens. I press the button on my keyboard and it's giving me the same message over and over again. So I'm going to reboot my PC and select the proper boot device to load my operating system. I rebooted my PC and it automatically started to load my operating system. So I didn't have to select the proper booting device. Now I'm going to load my PC with Windows 10. I just finished loading Windows 10. So now I'm all finished building my PC. That's all I have for you guys today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my videos. And stay tuned for what I have in store for you guys next.